Okay, so setting up a new SnapClass account, you go in the back end of DreamHost, you go into, let's see if I remember this, go into Manage Domains, then you go into, so we notice we already have these 4 set up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3001, 3002, and sample. So what you want to do is, I think we want to go to goodies, and we do want to do, let's see, right here. We want to add, okay, so from manage domains, we want to add hosting to a domain or subdomain. That's what we want to do. So you click on this. This is step 1. And then domain to host, you type it in. So let's do 3003.snapclass.org. And we're going to go ahead and set it up with the SnapClass user. And then that's it. And so then you just fully host this domain. And then what it'll do is it'll give you a message saying that it's been added, but it's not quite there yet. So let's see. It takes time to propagate. It might take up to a few hours. Usually it takes less than that. So like if you want to do a bunch, just do another one. So we'll do 3000. I'll do one more. 3004. Did I do that yet? .snapclass.org. And then put it on the SnapClass so that user is the administrator. And whoops, right here, fully host this domain. So then the next thing you're going to do is, it might take a while for those to show up, but if you go back into Manage Domains, you'll see under, there we go. So there's 3004. So 3003 is already on there, right? Mm-hmm. So that's good to go. So now if I go to a new tab and I go to 3003, did I just add that one, or class.org? And when you go there, it'll say the site's not found because you haven't installed anything else on it yet. So the 3003 needs, so what you want to do is you want to go into, so this is step 2 now. Step 2 is you go into goodies. You go to one-click installs. And you install WordPress on it. And you select the domain and you go all the way down to the 3003 one. And you install it for me. So this now installs WordPress onto that domain. Okay, within 10 minutes it'll be installed. So I'm going to go back to the 3003 and hit refresh and see if it gets installed yet. Still not there. So I haven't tested to see how long it actually takes, but probably in 10 minutes you'd be able to do it. So that step 2 is to put WordPress on it. Let's go back to the domain. Let's go back to Manage Domains. Let's go back to 3004. So 3004 is ready now. So I'm going to do this again too so you can see this. So go to Goodies, one-click installs, and I'm going to install WordPress on, and you can't see it on the screen, but it goes down to 3004 SnapClass. Install it for me now. And so that is installed. So that would be step 1 and 2. So that would be, once again, creating the subdomain and installing WordPress. And in the next video, we'll go through the next steps, which is setting up the WordPress website, creating a user for the teacher, and then cloning the template, the SnapClass template. That'll be in the next video.